the years, you would have seen us put these things on the sides of our vehicles. D-Max, I've had them on my 200, and I've even got them on the 300. Now they're called Clearview PowerBoards. Look at that. So basically, it's a power folding step. Goes up and down as you open the door so you can hop in and out easily. You would have seen the country that we travelled in, the hard country, especially down in Tasmania and places like that, mate.
We've only ever damaged one, and that was you on boulders down Tassie.
Ah! Yes.
Other than that, we've never damaged them.
3 seasons of filming in the 200, and they survived right up until that one point in time down in Tasmania.
The tree's handling it.
My truck's not.
Yeah, you're giving your car a workout.
And that was the only damage that we sustained on the PowerBoards. So next time you're setting up a 4-wheel drive, you're looking for something that tucks in, up nice and tight, out of the way, looks cool.
And if you're getting old like me, I tell you what, it makes getting in and out all the difference.
There you go, guys. The Clearview PowerFold side steps, mate, bloody awesome bit of gear.
We rate them.
Let's keep going, mate, let's keep going.